Greg Marchand here with 0 to 60, where we teach business management practices for automotive repair shops as well as service counter selling skills in under 60 seconds. If I talked this fast all the time, we'd be all set. Listen, convenience. Convenience is the number one motivator of most customers. It's certainly the number one motivator of type 1 customers, quadrant 1 customers we call them. But if you can think about how your repair shop can increase customer convenience. You see, here's the example I use. We all think that money is why customers don't like auto repair. Look, nobody likes to spend money, and auto repair is expensive. I agree. But really, think about it. Car breaks down, check engine light comes on, weird noise, whatever it is. Dad's got to be at work, mom's got to be at work, Junior's got to be at daycare, the other kid's got to be at school. Where does getting the car to the automotive repair shop fit into that kind of day? You see, when your car breaks down, where do you go? You go to work. That's just a part of your day. You go to the shop to have your car worked on. Customers don't have that kind of ability. So how do you offer your customer more convenience? Can you get them in a rental car? Can you give them a ride? Can you give them a shuttle service? Can you go pick up their car and drop their car off? Do you talk to them about your night drop system? Think about how you can provide your customers more convenience, and you're going to win more customers. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.